Hello friends, so today we're gonna discuss something about duties and responsibilities of different levels of chef. So let's get started. Before starting this slide, I just wanna tell you guys that I had uploaded a video on hierarchy of kitchen, that is the position of chefs at different level. Go and check that out. That will help you a lot in understanding about this topic. The video has popped up in the I button on the top right corner of the screen. Go and check it out. Now coming back to the slide. First we are going to discuss about the duty. A duty is a commitment or expectation to perform some action in general or if certain circumstances arises. So it is basically a commitment from a chef or expectations by the chef to perform his or her task faithfully. So that's the basic meaning of duty, I guess. Now coming to the responsibility. It is a state of answerable and accountability within one's power, control or management. So basically we can say the chefs are responsible for their different duties and actions. Coming to the next slide. Now we're gonna discuss about the duties and responsibilities of different levels of chef. In my presentation, I had written all the major duties and responsibilities that you all need to know. Coming to the slide. So the top posted chef of a hotel is executive chef. If you want to know about the French name of these chefs, the coming chefs also, to check that out our video on hierarchy of the kitchen, in which all the French names of different level of chef are written. Go and check that out. That will help you a lot in understanding about this topic too. So the first point is he reports to the GM, that is general manager. Next point, should always have a positive attitude to keep up the team spirit. Ensure the good quality of food are prepared in the kitchen and the presentation should also be as per the standards of the hotel or organization. He is also responsible for the smooth workflow in the kitchen. Ensure that all the ingredients are available to the chefs. Assist in menu planning and costing, as this is one of the most important jobs of the executive chef. He also monitor and checks the proper portion of the food should be served to the guest in proper serviceware, in proper plates also. Should also have a detailed knowledge in culinary. Should be updated with the new trends in the food industry, all the new trends which are coming up in the food industry, with all the new equipments which are coming up. So he also have to be updated with the new trends which are coming in the industry. Next we are coming to the sous chef. He reports to the executive chef or the senior sous chef of the hotel. He has to attend all departmental meetings, that is attend the meeting with different departments for the updates, as well as brief the team in the kitchen under him or her. Maintains all record that one should maintain in the kitchen. Assist in menu planning and costing to the executive chef. He also ensure the availability of raw ingredients at all times by proper planning, requisition and storage. Responsible to maintain the standards of the food as per the standard of the organization or the hotel. He can also recommend changes to the executive chef, yes, to increase the efficiency of the workflow in the kitchen. Plans duty roster of all the kitchen staff. Conducts daily and weekly briefing in the kitchen to update his kitchen staff. Ensure that the equipments used in the kitchen are in good condition, that they all are working. Ensure that the ingredients used are of best quality. So that's the major responsibilities, duties and responsibilities of the sous chef. Coming to the next slide, Here are some of the duties and responsibilities of the CDP, that is Chef de Partie. From here, every section of the kitchen has its own CDP and commis. Basically, a hotel, a kitchen mainly have the senior single executive chef, a senior sous chef, a junior sous chef, or can be a combined a single sous chef post also. But after the sous chef, there will be chef de partie. So every section of the hotel have every section of the kitchen have its separate chef de partie. So that's what I'm going to say here. From here, every section of the kitchen has its own CDP and commis. Commis are the next post of the kitchen which we are going to discuss in the next slide. To know more about different sections of the kitchen, do check out our video about different sections of the kitchen. It's on our channel. The video had just popped out on the I button on the top right corner of the screen. Go and check that out. So the major duties and responsibilities of the chef de partie, they are: he reports to sous chef or the kitchen executive. To know more about the hierarchy, I had uploaded a video on my channel. You can go and check that out. That will be very helpful for understanding in this topic. He is responsible for maintaining the hotel standards in his or her section, like the different sections like the continental section, the Indian section, the butchery, the bakery, and n number of sections are there, the different sections. So every CDP, every chef de partie has to maintain the hotel standards in his or her section. He is also responsible for controlling the food wastage. Make sure that all the kitchen equipments are working in the good condition and are working properly. Check all the kitchen records and maintain them properly. Responsible for the quality of food produced and presentation in his or her section. Ensure for the proper mise à plat that should be done. So mise à plat basically means the pre-preparation. To prepare all the dishes, first pre-preparation should be done with all the ingredients. Proper mise à plat helps in the proper flow for making the dishes by the chefs. Brief his or her team on the menu changes or on the introduction of the new ingredients. Ensure the maintaining of the dry and perishable store on the daily basis. So that's the major duties and responsibilities of the chef de partie. The next one is commis. He reports to his or her senior chef, that is chef de partie. Control food wastage without compromising the food quality. Prepare a mise à plat in his or her section for the smooth operation. Ensure good hygiene and cleanliness in his or her area. Maintain daily logbook. So logbook is maintaining record book in which previous shift chefs writes the detail of everything that he or she wants to convey to the next shift chef, like what's the status of the section, like what all mise à plat are prepared and what all is left. All these things and many other things previous shift chef will going to write in the logbook, and the next shift chef will check that and work according to the preparations. Coordinates with the other departments such as food and beverage, maintenance, housekeeping, etc. Prepare and present the food as per the standards of the hotel. The last point is ensure professional communication with all the team members. So those are all the points of the commis. So that's all for the day, guys. I hope that this video will help to increase your knowledge. Make sure you hit the like button, comment down if you still have any doubts, share it with all your friends and family, and for more such knowledge, keep watching What the Food. Bye bye.